Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install and use the Sonar plugin, and we're also going to be going over the config. The link for the Sonar plugin will be in the description. First things first, we're going to start on how to install the Sonar plugin. Simply open up your server file, go to plugins, and just drag the file into the plugins. Go back to your server and click on run, and wait for it to finish. Once it is complete, it will show that the Sonar plugin is properly installed. Now we can go ahead and open up Minecraft. Once in the server, basically we're going to do that /pl. It's going to show that we have one plugin installed, which will be Sonar, and it's green, meaning it's properly installed. Basically what this plugin is all about is all it's going to do is it's going to let you know any living entities, mobs, players, other stuff like that that are around you. And so simply we're going to go ahead and do /sonar. It's going to show that there's a sheep 9 blocks away, and it's pretty cool. You can actually give it to your regular players in the game. For example, let's say that sheep is my friend, and I was say who's near me. Well, he's currently 9 blocks away. It's not going to show direction or anything like that because that might be a little too cheap, but maybe whoever donates to the server can get this added onto the group that they're in. So it does have a range though, so like it only does about 10 blocks in radius. So if we was to do it now, about here, there we go. So about 10 blocks. You can change that in the config, and we'll get to that later. That's basically the only command currently, but let's see if I can spawn anything. I'm not able to. But yeah, so let's go ahead and hit the config. Alright, so now we're back on our desktop and we have our server folder open. We're basically going to go into the plugins and click on the Sonar folder. The database file is not really important. We're only going to be focusing on the config. So double click on the config, and the first thing that shows is the verbose logging. Basically all that is if you set it to true, it's going to have additional logging information inside of the console. It would be better for debugging or troubleshooting whatever issues are going on or something like that. For the Sonar radius, I have it set at 1,000 currently. It was set at 10, but I'm going to try out 1,000 and see kind of what happens if it crashes or anything like that. For the Sonar max hour, this basically is a number of uses that the player can have for the command per hour. So currently it is set at 3, and that is by default. If you don't want many uses by just a default regular player, you can set it to 1 or whatever you would like. So far we have it at 3 uses per hour. So we're going to go ahead and save this, and we're going to go ahead and start our server back up, and then we're going to head into Minecraft. Alright, so now we're back into the server, and we are going to test what 1,000 blocks would do with the /sonar command. So here we go. Okay, so as you can see, it basically pops up every single thing within 1,000 blocks. It will show the bad things too, zombies, skeletons, anything. It's going to show them in red. It's very cool though. I'm pretty sure players will end up showing up as probably green or something. Not too sure, haven't tested it out. I don't really have somebody to test it out with. So yeah, that's basically the Sonar plugin, and if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next video.